We are San Diego Robotics 101, a team of high school, middle school, and college students competing in Robosub for our 5th year. Join us as we show you our robot, Cubeception 3.5. Cubeception is made of an all-aluminum chassis, consisting of a main hull and a battery hull. The challenges we faced in machining this cube paid off, since we can easily add pylon and other attachments to its many flat faces. We've also added video rays onto the sides of the robot to increase the forward and backward thrust of the robot for better speed. Our sub may not look hydrodynamic, but the speed of the sub still provides us a reasonable time to accomplish all missions within the time limit. Our computation is distributed across 6 Raspberry Pis. Each Pi has a specific role in the robot. They communicate over Ethernet using a switch, following a protocol we implemented, and decision-making is done on a single Pi called the brain. The brain is the main code that controls how our robot functions and links all of the other parts together. This main controller utilizes a state machine to decide how our robot acts in the water, depending on what mission we are currently on. These states allow us to test easily as well, because each section of the code for a mission is isolated to one state. This year, we've introduced a new motor control board for better manipulation of movement. A common issue experienced last year was that the motors could all have different powers and therefore be difficult to manage. Now, the new board allows more holistic control over the movement. Using the board, we can have control over all motors at once. Cubeception has 2 Raspberry Pi cameras, one facing forward and one facing downwards. We use an object detection algorithm to help us identify objects in the water and assist with navigation to objectives. Our sub is equipped with 4 hydrophones, allowing for active and passive sonar capability. This is primarily used for localization with respect to our objectives. The easy swapping and modularity of both our hardware and software, as well as the cost effectiveness of our robot, are core features of Cubeception 3.5.